So you have decided to become an entrepreneur? Well, congratulations. By the way, do you know that there are four different types of entrepreneurs? Which type of entrepreneur are you going to be? And if you don't know the four different types of entrepreneurs, you're in luck because this is precisely what this video is going to be all about. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is the third on a series of short videos designed to help you get started in entrepreneurship. So with that, let us look and evaluate the first slide. The first slide is a bit of a history. Back in the late 1940s and early 1950s, Arthur Cole, a professor at Harvard University, was studying entrepreneurs. And essentially, what happened was that he was able to deduce that there were four types of entrepreneurs, and he called them rule of thumb entrepreneurs, informed entrepreneurs, sophisticated entrepreneurs, and the mathematically advised entrepreneurs. Since that time, there have been many revisions to the Cole four types of entrepreneurs. So the ones that I'm going to be showing you are going to be the currently accepted terms for the four types of entrepreneurs. The first one is what we can call a lifestyle entrepreneur. A lifestyle entrepreneur is a person who starts a business and it builds it in order to make a good living. And they decide what the definition of good living is going to be. Usually, good living means making a certain amount of money that they consider to be appropriate for what they're doing and balancing that with family and other interests. Lifestyle entrepreneurs are primarily interested in the income statement. That is to say, how much money am I making over a period of one fiscal year? And is it enough for the amount of time, effort, and knowledge that I have going into this particular field? So if we were to take a good example of a lifestyle entrepreneur, it would be Ben Cohen from the Ben and Jerry's ice cream company. These two partners, Ben and Jerry, what they wanted to do was to make a cash-generating business, as much cash as they possibly could. So they would be considered the classical types of lifestyle entrepreneurs. The second type would be called an innovator entrepreneur. An innovator entrepreneur is someone who wants to improve the world. These are individuals who have exceptionally high energy. They have unbelievable amounts of enthusiasm and great creativity. So who would be an innovator entrepreneur? Probably the best example that I can give you is Elon Musk, the person who started the Tesla electric company. According to Elon Musk, because of the fact that he is developing electric cars that have a very low carbon footprint, he is going to save the planet. So here's an individual that doesn't say that what he's going to do is to improve the world necessarily or make a better product. He is going to save the world. So This is definitely an innovator entrepreneur. The third type would be what we would call an empire builder. Empire builders want to make businesses that are extremely fast growth. They are doubling, tripling, quadrupling the size of the business on a yearly basis. Because of that, they are balance sheet affluent. This is the most important thing from their point of view is how big and how fast is the company growing on a yearly basis. Two examples that I can give you of empire builders, of course, Bill Gates of Microsoft and Steve Jobs of Apple. As you can imagine, within a relatively short period of time, both of them built Microsoft and Apple into companies that were billions of dollars worth in the marketplace. So these are great examples of empire builders. The fourth type is a serial entrepreneur. A serial entrepreneur is primarily interested in an exit strategy. An exit strategy or a harvest means that at some point in time, you're going to sell the company to somebody in order to get a cash payout, not only for the entrepreneur, but also for the investors, and to try to do the cash payout in as short a period of time as possible. So a serial entrepreneur would successfully exit one company, that is to say, sell it. Exit means that you have successfully sold the company, and then you start a new one. And these are individuals that have high energy and many technical interests. After they sell one company, they start another one that doesn't compete with the first one. So the technical side of these individuals is such that they can have many technical interests. And as a result of that, they can start a series or a serial type of company. So that being the case, these are the four types of serial entrepreneurs. As you investigate what type of personality you have, think about the four types of entrepreneurs, because you are more likely than not going to fit into one of these four types of entrepreneurs. If you go to www.zeicherinstitute.com, you will see our webpage. We have 10 easy to follow recorded lectures complemented by hundreds of slides. If you purchase the online course, you will receive a complimentary copy of the complete transcript as a PDF. So you don't have to start writing anything. Everything about the course will be at your fingertips, thus allowing you to make a copy of the transcript. And in the website, you will find the entire lecture number 1 as a free gift, which is about 30 minutes in duration. So please do that, and I wish you the best of luck as an entrepreneur.